Hello everybody, my name is Angela and I am an addictive learning expert. Today I will explain to you how to create a course on the Addictive Learning platform. To create a course, please go to the Products menu and choose the course block. After that, click the Create button. So here we are on the first step of the creating our course. Please fill in all the required fields. This is the course name, course description, upload your course main picture, choose a type of your course. In 2 minutes, I will explain you what's the difference between those two types, courses with no date and courses with a date. Choose whether they will be free or paid. This course will be free or paid, and insert the challenge chat link. I will say that for now we do not have the in-app chat, so please create your chat in a WhatsApp, in a Messenger, in any other messengers you want, and just put here the link to your chat. So let's create the course name. Let's say I want to create a fitness course, so my course would be healthy lifestyle course. Course description. Here I will say that in this course you will learn how to be healthy both physically and mentally. Oops. Here. Please pay your attention on the course name and the course description because this information will appear not only here in the app, this information will also be the part of your landing page because in the third step we will create together the landing page. Actually, it's very fast because we design the landing page instead of you according to the own rules of creating the landing page, which actually help you not to waste time on this task. So this information is the information which will appear in your hub, in the course card, and if your course would be not free, if your learners have to pay for it, so here you should write, you should maintain why the course participant should pay for those course, should take part in it. So please write here really interesting and engaging text. Then let's upload the course avatar. I will just choose now the random photo picture. And the next step, let's choose the type of our course. On the Addictive Learning platform, you can choose between two types. This is the course with no date and the course with date. Which is actually, what is the main difference between those two? If you create the course with date, it means that the content become available according to a schedule in a particular day. That means that you put the date start of your course and the end date of your course. You also put till which time this course will be available, let's say 2 months. And this means that the person will not see all the lessons, that the lessons will be open step by step according to a date which you choose. So if your course starts on the 21st January and your first lesson will be on 21st January, then it means that on 21st January, the learner will see on this first lesson. Then the second lesson, let's say, would be in 23rd January. That means that on 21st January, the learner will not see the second and the third lesson. He or she will see only the first lesson. And then on the 23rd January, there will appear the second lesson. And like this would be till the end of the course. Let's make a course a little bit longer, not 1 week, it's like 2 weeks. So here is very important to choose the right type for you. Courses with date is more engaging. Here is always this feeling of time pressure. Here is the deadlines. But if you need the self-paced courses, you can choose courses with no date. That means that these courses do not follow a set schedule and all course materials are available as soon as the course begins. So as soon as your learner enters the course, he or she sees all the course content and can start from the last lesson, can start from the first lesson, can firstly watch the third lesson and then move on to the first lesson. So it's actually depend from your course content. And what I also want to point out is that in self-paced courses, so in courses with no date, the learners once again have an access to all content from the beginning. During the course with date, your learners will see the course content only in exit date which you will fill. So if you point out that the date start is 21st January, the first lesson will appear only on the 21st. But if you have some learners which come to the course later, let's say on 23rd of January, they will be able to see all previous lessons, which is actually very important. Moreover, they will be able to see all the lessons which were before, even after the course ends, till the date of the availability of this course. So in courses with dates, the learners do not see only the upcoming lessons, but also previous lessons they are able to see, to watch, and to make a homework. And then, of course, you, as usual, choose would it be the paid courses or free courses, and go to the next station, the next step. Step 2 is the add lesson step. Here you just point the add lesson and fill in all the required fields. So let's say the first lesson would be healthy diet. Here you write the short description, and here you write the content text. So you have you can write as much text as you want. There is no 255 signs anymore. So here you can write really the long text as much as you want. This is a all lesson content, written content. Okay, then you can upload a file, but please pay attention. The maximum size of file you can upload is 200 megabytes. So we do not charge you for file storage fees like other services, but you cannot upload really big videos here. So if you have a video lesson which is like 30 minutes, 1 hour, please upload it to the YouTube and insert the link here. And as well as the link to the video lessons, you can also insert the documents link. If you need to share some guides, checklists, please feel free and share them. Here I always upload the main picture of my lessons, or I upload short videos too, which are till 200 megabytes. And the last step here is add homework step. If you have a homework which you want your learners to do, here you write homework. So here you actually specify what your learners have to do. And on the right part of the screen, you can see how your lesson will look like in the app. Here is the description, here is the picture or short video, here is the lesson content, here would be your video and the homework. They will upload their homework directly in the application, the format of photo or video. They also can send you the text stories like in Instagram if you need a text as a prepared assignment, as a completed assignment. And they just have to put the upload homework button, and you will see the ready homework here in the admin panel. Later I will show you where. So we created our first lesson, and then you can create it as much lessons as you want. You can change the rows, you can change the content by pushing this button, you can delete it. So everything basically you can do here. And in this preview, again, you can take a look how your lessons will look like. As we created with you the courses with no dates, so there would be just lesson 1, lesson 2. If you would create the courses with dates, there would be the particular dates, and in particular dates would be the particular lessons. And the last step, the third step, is the landing page. You can skip this step and do not create the landing page, because you can invite learners directly to your course with the help of the link, or you can invite your learners to the hub But if you need a landing page, then fill in just one field, insert your photo, and your landing page will be generated automatically. The important information here is that you have to pay attention how your landing page looks in the mobile app and how your landing page looks on desktop. About that, I already told on our first video, in the video where I explained how to create the online school and online challenge. Please, if you haven't seen this video yet, go to our YouTube channel and watch it, because it's very important video where I explain how our invite links works. So here you can see that how your online challenge will look like in the app. Your learners can just press the button participate and they will go directly to the store, App Store or Google Play. After downloading the Addictive Learning app, they will go directly to this course you have just created. They will not see any courses of other courses created. They will not see any hubs or online schools. They will go directly to your course. If your learners will follow the link from a desktop, from a computer, let's say you use the landing page for the targeting advertising and your client go there from a Facebook, from a computer, then instead of buttons, there would be the QR code, and then please specify that the learner have to point their smartphone camera to the QR code, and then he or she will go directly to the store and then to the Addictive Learning app. So we have created our course. It was, I think, very fast and easy. To make the course appear in the app, click the publish button. Do not forget to do it, because only after you click in this button, the course is now in the app. And you see that as soon as you publish a course, its link is immediately displayed. Here's the invite link to your course. Please remember, this is the link to your course, and this is the link to your online school, to your hub. This link, with this link, the learners go directly to your course, to your product, and with this link, your learner go to the hub, to your online school in the mobile app. Then if you need a landing page, you push the publish the landing page button, and then here is your landing page. We can go with you and take a look. Here it is a QR code which I told you about. By pointing on this with a smartphone camera, your learner will go directly to your course. Then last step we have to talk about with you is, what if you made a mistake while filling out the course content but have already published it? No problem. You just have to push those three dots, and here you can edit your course content. You can unpublish your course. You can delete your course. You can take a look how many users you have, and you can add new lessons. You can add your lessons also here. Just go there, and here you can add lessons or create new lessons. And also in this lessons field, lessons log, you see the homework. Now we have no homeworks, of course, because we just created a course with you, but here you select a course, you select a particular lessons, and here will appear the homework of your students, the homework of your learners. You have to just leave a comment and send those comments to your learners, and those comments will appear directly in their apps. So pretty easy. And the last but not least step is how to invite your learners. You can invite them with those invite links, using them in targeting, advertising, in social media, whenever you want. And also you can invite directly from the admin panel. Just press this button, invite by email, add emails of your learners, which you already maybe know. They will appear here, and send the invite. We will create a beautiful letter instead of you well designed, which go directly to your learner's email. So now our course is created. If you still have any questions, we are always here to answer. Our team will help you every step of the way, from registration to setting up an advertising campaign if required. Just write to us. You can write to us in Telegram. You can write to our email. You can just left the comment here under this video. We are always happy to help you. Good luck in creating your successful online learning business.